What's up, YouTube? We'll choose you guys. I'm in the mall. We're gonna do a vlog right now, so let's go inside GameStop to take a look. Sorry for not uploading, you guys. I deleted yesterday's video. Is it today's one? Couldn't get the
What up?
Wow. I'll tell you guys when I get out. So I don't see that much. Oh jeez, I see. What the hell is this? Is this supposed to be Bendy? A Bendy dog or something? There's a toad. That's all I basically. That's all I see. That's Mario stuff. What is that shit? Let's check right here. What? We got some Electro Gold. Check over here. The freaking Hello Neighbor plushies. What the shit? They got Amiibos. No, $5 Amiibos. I would get these, but they're not that cool. But they're okay. Monopoly. Let's look at games. Xbox One's over here, and that's the console I have. So $54.99. Let's see. Excuse me. No, I don't really see anything. So let's go out, and I'll tell you guys. So basically, you guys, I've been so the reason why I deleted yesterday's video is because KTV Vivo, the channel wasn't working and I couldn't get it to like create the channel. So wow, what is this place? So I couldn't get the channel to work, and that's why I deleted yesterday's video. But I'm gonna be uploading this video for sure. Kind of cringe sometimes. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump out. Okay. Hey guys, so the main thing of this video is that I'm gonna walk by random people. I'm going to honk, and I'm gonna see what their reaction is. So let's go. Hopefully they say I'm gonna sue you for going like, why would they want to sue me for going? Let's go in the Claire's. They're a nice store. Never mind. Wait, are we allowed to take these? I don't know. Are these free? I don't know. Are these free? Are these free? I'm gonna go ask. I want to feel lollipops. Okay, so I guess they're free to take. So I'm gonna take one. Which flavor do I want orange. Alright, this is watermelon. So watermelon. Another watermelon. And I'll just take 3. I'll come back and get some more. So when you say take 1, I mean take 3. Okay, so let's go find people. Right here, coming up. Okay, I honked in front of them. Now it's time for these people. Still no reaction. I'll go right here. Oh my god, I'm laughing so freaking hard right now. I just went. Okay, right here. I'll pass these people. She looked like she was gonna kill me right after I did it. That's my right here. I got it. That little dude. open it, go, and close it. Okay, these people coming up. They looked like they were so mad. Okay, that's it for this video, man. Thanks so much. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications on all my videos. Let's try to talk. Please give me a 100 cents so back it on this.